How to create a density plot in Matplotlib. In R, I can create the desired output by doing in Python. With Matplotlib, the closest I got was with a simple histogram. I also tried the normed equals true parameter, but couldn't get anything other than trying to fit a Gaussian to the histogram. My latest attempts were around scipy.stats and Gaussian_d, following examples on the web, but I've been unsuccessful so far.
Five years later, when I Google how to create a kernel density plot using Python, this thread still shows up at the top. Today, a much easier way to do this is to use Seaborn, a package that provides many convenient plotting functions and good style management.
Sven has shown how to use the class Gaussian_KD from scipy, but you will notice that it doesn't look quite like what you generated with R. This is because Gaussian_KD tries to infer the bandwidth automatically. You can play with the bandwidth in a way by changing the function covariance_factor of the Gaussian_KD class. First, here is what you get without changing that function. However, if I use the following code, I get, which is pretty close to what you are getting from R. What have I done? Gaussian_KD uses a changeable function, covariance_factor, to calculate its bandwidth. Before changing the function, the value returned by covariance_factor for this data was about 0.5. Lowering this lowered the bandwidth. I had to call _compute_covariance after changing that function so that all of the factors would be calculated correctly. It isn't an exact correspondence with the BW parameter from R, but hopefully it helps you get in the right direction.
Option 1. Use Pandas data frame plot, built on top of Matplotlib. Option 2. Use dist plot of Seaborn.
Maybe try something like you can easily replace Gaussian_KD by a different kernel density estimate.
You can do something like
did you want to compare the two